Alright guys, here we are again at the Kennebunk Plains, also known as Blueberry Barrens. I'm redoing the video that I made. We're going to do some biking on the trail, and this time we're going to press record on our drone and we'll take some footage of Blueberry Plains. So come and join me guys, let's do this. Guys, so before we get started with the drone flight, I just want to let you know, late summer, early fall, people come here to pick blueberries, and there's two sides of the Blueberry Plains. One half is where people, the farmers who tend to the Blueberry Plains, they burn it down, one half of the fields, and then the next year they'll burn the other half just to encourage growth. But we're gonna fly over it now guys. I'm gonna show you some footage from my drone. Let's do this. Well, that was pretty cool guys. This drone is really awesome. Very small drone, the DJI MAVIC Mini. Very beautiful drone. I highly recommend this, by the way. So let's continue our bike ride and finish up the video, shall we? Whew, guys, I'm pooped. Whew. So, short little trek. It's called the Blueberry Barrens, guys, so come on by. Check it out sometime. Have a good day. Bye-bye.